Hello everyone, Samala Jule. So in this video, I will be showing you guys Ama Tsomo and her family. We went to their house on Tibetan Losar. Kung ketirang mole se friend ne, Chinese friend ne, Tibetan friend jingino. To ibu inole ajolobzang makpa and ibu inole Ama Tsomo. Tene koni nokle Ama Tsomo pomo ache. Tene goma jigranga potpe khampa jelepste chuba gontein. E chube material bonga talada se kos na zoks tukiale and then e size ponge ka perfectly zoks topa. Skerak bonga tin nambu thickness skerak na zoks tukiale. Tene e potpe khampe chube putung jipo ringmo tukiale putung chupu thunuk. Tene gon sa testing ne right side e lakpa putung na ne ja ping tukiale e zoksla. Putung right side po ringmo duk and left side po thun duk yale. Testing ne Ama Tsomo khambe sir ka ngu jik jak thong yale. It's round shape. Tene junga churu jik jak taste duk yale. Tene thama ulla duk nis chuste duk. Tene I beats kunang sere no yale. Tene junga asli zin nislang japs karte duk yale. Testing ne thanks ka yale. Thanga wo ivory langpoche se ivory se chokarin su yale. Iro yale poto ani white animal unit chala kuna te value joruk yale. In fact it's valued everywhere. Te nani ang langpoche ne ivory unit te value joruk che na ipot la langpoche yut met kyapa. That's why it's very special and precious here. So I personally won't go for animal stuffs. So I personally condemn such things. This thing nga choka chaksum pula sapani yale. And yes, I have made a separate video about Tibetan chokang. So link pungi in the description box in the thangat. So you can click the link and watch the separate video. Tene testing ne Ama Tsomo chofte dok pelne momok ngaya losar et sespa sume ja song pen tene ko intezane zoshi momok chofte dok yale par khone pakpe rozane pakpe na backing task de ros pelno ya tene pakpe vos dok yale khoi vos ka ne momok chik chofte dok pen ya. Then Ama Tsomo was asking my hometown and she can't guess where I'm from, but I just told her my hometown is nearby Ngari. When saying Ngari in Utsang area, she can somewhat guess. Kona yale gyare picture na gyare lu sa ches potel demo so do gyale ngati ra kon particularly kera gyare de lu yo da met kera lu tangshe sa da me picture khone Amir Khan picture 3 idiot pol tasfin jinji za finiale. Test ni ngaya pitok song paniale. Yagun kyoala sompen mani rigwa. Tena cholo bzan lo yale ngato ne koni yak yaba kerat lo ya rigwa yale. Tene pito yagun yane na chaches le rigwa. Tene I riga irseska ringmo yale koni government de seste tanslo karo chinga peda yale. Tene I zumo an dikari grada kona kan pazante laste anstena.
人家先把认识路自己回家了呀啊。
Tene I seska ring me kayan jaga jaga ngal soche se jaga koni choste duk yale chap kursi duk ches choste duk te wan shkit poduk. And I was told that last year around 20 yaks and Zomo died because of the cold. Luckily he had insurance and it covered by the insurance. And to my surprise, I heard this animal insurance for the first time. I'm not sure king atilara science of animal husbandry kuni simchani insurance I don't know. But I think if there will be such kind of insurance, I think it will be very useful. If in case in future, if you met with any accidents with these animals, then you can claim the insurance back. Temania iraya reya to tukchu dunchu jikjap kerano loyale. Inyu layale. Pome wang chao ma do chezena I royale putsa un pomo makpa yung chin loyale ka khampa jina putsa na teun tawa jin loyale pomo wa makpa yung chin lo tene I Ama Tsomo putsa chin ngis du yale putsa ngis ka lama just gompa kulpen loyale yang gompa khachik to gyale tera ta pam po do garon like ngap gyari gyale yul wang de dam chinbo ma no he tong pa de dam po mit kya gyale but taban men ngap kya stong chama na te tos to gyale so inda nang ya po I will conclude my video so thank you for watching bye bye